Thank you for doing this interview, Sharon. So first of all, why did Johnson & Johnson decide to choose Korea as its next JLABS destination in APAC? What do you think the country offers?
Thank you. A pleasure to be here today. Korea has really distinguished itself as emerging hub for biotech and medtech R&D, and it's a really promising innovation ecosystem. The country has seen really significant government investment in biotech innovation. And this has also led to a growth in publications and patents, company approvals and deals. We believe South Korea is really strong in a number of areas, strong in innovation, in particular in small molecules, monoclonal antibodies, biosimilars with increasing innovation in newer modalities, and best-in-class and first-in-class science. We also recognize South Korea as being innovative in robotics and digital, as well as in biomaterials. Historically, Korea has also shown strength in manufacturing, CDMO, CMR, CROs, including biosimilar manufacturing, and its data packages are really aligned to global standards, which enables the ease of project delivery. However, we also do see opportunities in the market where we observe that the ecosystem lacks maturity in a few areas, and that includes venture capital, investment financing, structural limitations caused by limited capacity for post-phase 1 clinical trials, and limited diversity in, for example, management teams. And so as a result, Korean biotechs look towards cross-border collaborations to continue their developments. Johnson & Johnson was selected as the operator of the Global Accelerator Platform by the Ministry of Health and Welfare. And this collaboration continues to build on a decade-long relationship with Korea. In the past 4 decades, J&J has invested in this flourishing ecosystem, building several successful strategic collaborations with local partners in the Korean ecosystem to address some of the world's toughest healthcare challenges. J&J has delivered 18 new medicines in the last decade and nearly 100 new medtech products to South Korea since 2018. Our partners include the Korea Health Industry Development Institute, KIDI, Korea Drug Development Fund, KDDF, Seoul Metropolitan Government, Seoul Biohub, Yuhan Pharmaceutical, LegoCam, TNR Biofab, and Huano. J&J has also invested approximately $125,000 in grant funding, residency, expert mentorship, and coaching for our crowdsourcing program, Quickfire Challenge, Winners in Korea. And for this reason, J&J believes Korea is really optimal and really our next destination for JLABS and our next logical step to evolve this growing relationship and collaboration.
JLABS Korea is set to be the 3rd JLABS site in APAC. So how will it be different from the ones in Shanghai and Singapore? What does J&J aim to gain from JLABS Korea?
Located in innovation hubs around the world, we work hand in hand with innovators, helping accelerate their ideas with industry-leading incubation and investment support, and deep scientific and commercial expertise from the Johnson & Johnson family of companies. JLABS is unique in that we are an innovator in innovation models. We innovate on how to partner with JLABS is the tip of the spear on the rebirth of the strategic incubator. And over a decade ago, we pioneered the idea of creating a community space for entrepreneurs to find each other, creating the brick and mortar incubator. An example of this is our presence in Shanghai. Since then, we've involved the community creation through our universal model, where we bring together resources, tools, and networks to places where we can have innovation and the need to bridge that to practical applications. We launched our first such model in Singapore last year. JLABS in Korea is the next evolution of our innovation model, working through a government-sanctioned program to help cultivate and grow innovation in the country and beyond. JLABS in Korea will further propel Johnson & Johnson Innovation's mission to find and unleash the best early-stage innovations that could transform health outcomes for patients, wherever they originate. We know we can't solve the world's biggest healthcare challenges alone, so we're really looking for the most promising early innovation and partners that could benefit from our insight and collaboration. And inside this region, we've seen countries like China, South Korea, and Singapore rising in the ecosystem with enormous capabilities and potential for innovation. We look forward to contributing and accelerating the regional and local biotech and medtech ecosystem development through JLABS at Shanghai, in Korea, and in Singapore.
So what innovative technologies are you looking for in Korea, and what R&D areas do you see as particularly attractive?
JLABS looks forward to supporting and cultivating the areas already strongest in Korea related to medtech and biotech innovation. Korea has incredible potential in biotech and medtech research and development, with strong R&D capabilities already and a promising innovation ecosystem. And that's thanks to significant investments made over the last decade in its R&D infrastructure. Korea's life sciences ecosystem has been steadily growing due to the establishment of thousands of startups, many of those in the past decade focusing, for example, on cell therapy, CAR-T, regenerative medicine, artificial intelligence, AI and big data, robotic and digital surgery, and 3D printing. The country has seen significant government investment in biotech innovation, which has led to the growth in publications and patents, companies, approvals, and deals. South Korea innovation is really strong in small molecules, monoclonal antibodies, and biosimilars, with increasing innovation in newer modalities and best-in-class and first-in-class science, as well as I mentioned, robotics, digital, and biomaterials. At Johnson & Johnson Innovation, our mission is clear. We seek out the most promising early-stage innovations and partners who can benefit from our insight and collaboration in areas like oncology, immunology, neuroscience, robotics and digital, as well as biomaterials.
Could you tell us what plans you have for JLABS Korea, including how much J&J aims to invest, and when and where it will be established? And can you also share with us some initial collaboration plans for JLABS Korea?
Through this collaboration, MOHW will leverage the capabilities of Johnson & Johnson's global JLABS network to catalyze Korea's innovation ecosystem so that innovative medicines and medtech solutions are accelerated for patients across the region and worldwide. JLABS will support at least the early stage companies with a base in South Korea to help accelerate their early stage discoveries into innovative medicines, medical technologies, and healthcare solutions, particularly in the pharmaceutical and bio-innovation space. JLABS will also collaborate with local incubators and other strategic partners in the ecosystem on venture and talent development offerings to stimulate employment and commercialization opportunities for early stage companies. Following the virtual model application launched in Singapore last year, JLABS in Korea won't have an established bricks and mortar location. Instead, JLABS will work with local incubators in Korea and other strategic partners in the ecosystem on venture and talent development offerings to stimulate employment and the commercialization for early stage biotech and medtech companies.
So in your view, what impact do you think JLABS Korea will have on Korea's biotech ecosystem? What roles do you want JLABS to play in the country as well as in APAC?
The life science industry is one of the fastest developing sectors in the APAC region, with many biopharma startups eager to transform the landscape of healthcare by delivering innovative solutions. However, many of these young healthcare companies are faced with business, financial, and operational challenges as they try to break into the competitive healthcare market. We hope that JLABS will positively impact Korea's biotech and biopharma entrepreneurs to help advance their early-stage discoveries into breakthrough medical discoveries by gaining access to the expertise, funding, educational programming, and facilities they need. Through our global accelerator network, JLABS, we're so excited to provide specialized knowledge and resources to support early-stage companies in Korea to develop innovative medicines and medtech solutions for patients worldwide. We will also leverage J&J's external innovation model to support Korean entrepreneurs at all stages of development to progress their breakthrough ideas. This includes early-stage strategic partnerships, collaborations, and deal-making expertise, incubation and acceleration through JLABS, and equity investment through JJDC, a venture fund that invests in providing seed funding to eligible startups and organizations.
So lastly, what efforts do you think Korea needs further to attract global biopharma firms and foreign investors to become a global biohealth powerhouse?
Johnson & Johnson Innovations Executive Vice President, Chief Medical Officer, Dr. Bill Hait, recently said that the country needs three things to have a good biotech ecosystem: great universities, adequate government support, and a vibrant investment culture, including investment banks and venture capitalists. According to Dr. Hait, Korea has great universities and government support, and bio-investment is what needs to be revitalized. Our comprehensive strategic consultancy offers services and offerings are aimed at helping domestic companies find their path to success in the wider global markets, including portfolio evaluation and strategy, non-clinical clinical data management methods by technology, and global business marketing and distribution strategy, and opportunities for collaboration through our global innovation network.
Okay, that's it. Thank you very much for your time today, Sharon.
Thank you.